what you're riding. So give me the year and the model of your car.
A 73 Cutlass Supreme. Just bought it, actually.
Oh, serious?
Yeah, I've only owned it like 2 months.
So what made you purchase the car?
My dad had one when I was in high school.
And that's the only reason?
Pretty much.
What are all the things that you're gonna do to the car?
Not too much. I think just redo the interior. The outside looks great. There's a couple of chips in the paint I might just touch up for now.
Right. So are you going to get a collector's plate for the car?
Yes. Yeah, I already have the paperwork in. So.
Okay.
I actually bought it from a guy in Canada.
Oh, wow.
You can see the Canadian.
Wow, that is
So
amazing.
it was originally an Arizona car. He bought it from somebody that moved to Canada.
Mm-hmm. And he was the original owner?
No.
How many owners?
From the paperwork, I'd say about 5.
About 5. Original motor?
Yes. Yep.
As far as you know, what else has been changed besides the motor?
The hood?
The hood? Yeah, because I don't
442.
remember that being...
That's the 442 hood.
Okay.
So you put that on there, you put the 442 stripes on it. He did redo the whole underneath of it, the guy in Canada. He put new tires on it, new brakes, new exhaust.
Does it have dual exhaust on it?
No.
Straight pipe? Straight ran, straight back?
I'm not sure what it has.
4,000 on it? 350 rocket. I haven't heard that.
Yeah.
That in a long time. Man. That is awesome.
Yeah.
And you said the underneath has been.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, I can see some of the new parts.
Yeah. It's been repainted at some point, and then they said the top
Did they say how many times?
1 time.
And was this always the original color?
Yep.
Which is what, like a sky blue?
Wedgwood blue. It's called.
Okay.
Top was replaced once in the 90s.
Okay.
So.
So it's always been a vinyl top?
Yes. Yep.
Wow, this is amazing. Thank you for doing this.
Sure, no problem.
What you're riding, because this is awesome. So you know you're gonna be one of those guys going up there parking and making sure people will look at it and all that good stuff, right?
Oh yeah.